Are you working in Smartsheet and have noticed the blocked error? Well, you've come to the right video because today I'm going to be walking you through why you might be getting it and better still how to resolve it and make sure it doesn't happen for you too regularly going forward. So I've just created a sheet here and I've just put in some data, and I'm also going to be walking you through an example of a formula that has that blocked error, and I can show you how we can get that resolved, just to give you perhaps somewhere to look in your own formula and your own on your own account. So first and foremost, I do just want to state that you should only notice the blocked error when you are working with formulas. You shouldn't get this at any other time, so it is exclusive to formulas. And the cause for this is basically that the formula can't work because it's being blocked by the failure of another formula. So basically, blocked will only really occur when a formula is linked to another formula and that initial formula is broken. So you shouldn't get it too often, but it can be a little bit confusing when you see it. So the resolution is kind of clear, really. You need to find where the error is in the original formula and basically resolve that. And if you do that, then your kind of secondary formula with the blocked error should resolve automatically. So I've just created some dummy data columns, and then I will show you the example formula where I'm getting this blocked, and I'll kind of resolve that. We can see how it works. So all I've done here is I've got two columns. I've got 1, 2, 3 as my data. In the second column, I've got 3, 4, 5. Now the first formula I'm trying to do here is a sum formula, counting everything in this first column, and we're getting an unparsable error. So that's another error you can get in Smartsheet, and I've got another video on my channel that explains that, and I'll actually drop a link in the description down below that will take you to that, because that may be something you experience in Smartsheet as well, and it's worth knowing how that happens. So basically, unparsable means that the formula cannot be parsed, and that's because there's an error in the formula itself. Now, you might have noticed when I click on here, the reason why this isn't working is because I've misspelt the word sum. I've put sim. So if I change this to sum, it should work. And you'll find that everything has resolved. But if I go back to making this unparsable again, we'll see why this isn't working. So what I wanted to do in here is sum this column. In the example 2 column, I'm basically summing the second column, so the 3, 4, and 5. So we've got basically two formulas here summing the two different columns. Now in the third column, what I'm trying to do is add these two together. So as you'll see, we're getting a blocked because we've got an unparsable error in the example 1 column. But when I did update this to sum, and therefore making this formula correct, you'll find that the blocked error goes and the result is returned as intended and as expected. So basically, you'll get a blocked error if another formula that you're referencing is broken. So that's what you need to do. You need to go over your formulas and check where there might be a break. You might need to look for any kind of unparsable errors. As I say, that link in the description below and the other video I've done might be useful for that, and that may help you as well. But that really is the blocked error in Smartsheet. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos just like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel and heading over to it to look at my other Smartsheet training videos like that unparsable one I've been mentioning so far. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.